Good day, class. Welcome back to another lesson. Today we will be solving the simultaneous equation. First thing that we notice is that the first equation has a common factor of 2. So 2 divides all the coefficients, so we can divide out the 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, so that becomes 1x minus 4 divided by 2 is 2, so that's 2y equals 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Perfect. Now 1x can be written as x. So this equation is simply x minus 2y is equal to 3. If we take the minus 2y across, we have x is equal to 3 plus 2y. Perfect. Now that we've left a variable alone, we can substitute it in the equation that we did not use. So wherever we see x, we substitute the equation 3 plus 2y. So that equation becomes 3 into 3 plus 2y minus 5y is equal to 10. If we open up the brackets, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 2 is 6, so that becomes plus 6y minus 5y is equal to 10. 6y minus 5y is 1y. If we take 9 across, that becomes 10 minus 9. Therefore, we are left with y is equal to 10 minus 9, which is 1. And we've solved for y. Now, in order to solve for x, we substitute y back into our x equation. So we have x is equal to 3 plus 2 times 1, because y is equal to 1, and therefore that gives us that x is equal to 5. Excellent. And that's it for the lesson today. Please like the video, share it with other learners, and please comment down below for questions that you'd like me to do in future videos.